Hi! Welcome to this stunning condo in BGC. I'm from Excellent Home Decor and we're about to show you the highlights. Let's dive in. In this layout, we've got the kitchen area right by the main door. Over here, you'll spot a laundry cabinet. Take a look inside, you'll find the washing machine neatly tucked away with retractable doors for easy access. And right next to it, we've got the refrigerator. Notice those sleek modular kitchen cabinets? They're all white with sharp black accents, giving off a super modern vibe. Plus, they've got soft close hinges on the doors for that extra touch of convenience. Now, let's talk about the dining area. It may be small, but it's conveniently placed right by the kitchen. No need to trek to another room for your meals. Take a look at that laminated dining table with wall cladding. It's got a neat wall accent light underneath, adding a subtle touch of ambience. It's all about saving space and keeping things sleek with this minimalist design. Now let's step into the living room. The star of the show here is our massive TV rack with a display cabinet and back panel. It's a real eye-catcher, especially in person. We've even added accent lights to amp up the aesthetics because who doesn't want a stylish living room, right? Now, moving on to the first bedroom. Here, you'll find the bunk bed, which is a great space saver. Inside the room, there's a spacious cabinet for your clothes and a cozy little dresser area. Right between the two rooms, we have the restroom. Inside, you'll find the lavatory cabinet complete with the facial mirror. It's all about functionality and convenience in this space. Now, let's step into the master's bedroom. Here, you'll find a sleek working table attached to the wall, perfectly positioned next to a beautiful glass window. But the real gem is the bed. It's not just any bed, it comes with the pull-out drawer on the side for extra storage, and if that's not enough, there's a clever crest-type storage feature. Lift the mattress, and you'll reveal another hidden storage cabinet. To give this bed a modern touch, we've installed WPC fluted panels with a stylish wall panel in the middle and a padded headboard for added comfort. Plus, there's a small wall niche where you can keep your glasses or books and conveniently charge your devices, thanks to the electric outlet. So, if you want your condo or house to look this good, choose excellence, choose Excellent Home Decor.